Alright, welcome to this video tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can buy your domain name and your host name. But before I proceed, let me briefly explain the difference between the two. Your domain name is actually the name of your website, the name you intend giving your website, while your host name is the company or the server that hosts the name of your website. For instance, your picture, your videos, your articles are actually hosted on your hosting company's server, while your domain name is actually an identity that will tell the server that this particular files belongs to this particular domain. So your domain name is the name of your website, while the hosting company is actually the company or the server that hosts your file. They store your files for you. I believe this explanation, you must have gotten the difference between the two. Now we have different types of hosting company around the world, but in this tutorial I'll be using Namecheap. I've used Namecheap for some times now, and my clients, and none of them are giving me any complaint about their website. Their website is very okay, that the speed is okay, and one thing again, they have a free SSL for the first year, and also their customer care is top notch. Once you chat them up, they will easily reply you gently. Okay, and again, their pricing, let me show you, their pricing is very affordable, very affordable. Let me show you. You can see these are their pricing: 1.58 for 3 websites and 20 gig, and this is 2.68 for unlimited websites, and this is 4.80. so it depending on what you're actually trying to, the website you're actually trying to build. So once you are done making your choice, and if you go for 2 years, you can even get it for lesser price. You can see it has dropped if you can pay for straight 2 years. Okay, so once you are done getting your plan, the next thing you need to do is to search for the domain. So let's search for a domain. That is the name you intend giving your website. So let me search for speed.com. Okay, I highly recommend you use .com. I'm not against .org, .oi, none of them. I'm not against any of them, but people still love hearing that .com. So even though it may be very stressful getting your preferred name with .com, because a lot of people have taken the preferred name with .com, just look for one or two things to add in front of it so you can be able to get .com. So let's search for this. Okay, you can see this is no longer available. That's why you are seeing make an offer. All these ones are not longer available, you can see. So let's add something at the front. Let me say spread T. Okay, you can see somebody has taken this one, $2,900. Okay, let me make it like this. Okay, this one is actually available, so let's add this one to cart. You can see their price $8.88 for 1 year. Okay, so let's head on to our host, because we need to buy a host name. Okay, in this tutorial I'm just going to use this particular one. Okay, let's go with this 3 websites. Okay, let's add it to cart. Okay, Let's view cart. Okay, $27.50 for 1 year, both your hosting and your domain name. Now I highly recommend you turn on this auto renew, okay, so that your website can easily, immediately it expires, can renew itself instead of waiting for it to come and renew. So turn it on. Okay, if you have a coupon code, you can enter your coupon code here and you get some discount. But I'll be dropping my affiliate link just below the description so that you can be able to use my affiliate link. You are not going to pay more, but certainly I'm going to earn a commission. So once you are done, you click on confirm order. Okay, now you're going to enter your email address if you already have account with them, or you create a fresh account with them. Once you are done creating your account with them, these are the required: your name, your email address, your password, and you click on create. Once you are done creating an account with them, an email like this will be sent to your account, to your email address, asking you for immediate verification. You are going to open that email and click on verify. Okay, click here to verify your email address. Okay, once you click on that, another email will follow up, which is this one. They will send you the username and the password to your website. Okay, once that email is sent to you, all you need to do is to click on, because this is where your website is going to appear, just above your cPanel username and password. So you're going to click on this. So in this case, I'm going to click on this particular one now. Let's wait. Okay, you'll be directed to your cPanel account. What you need to do now, you go back, you copy this username, then paste it here. I've copied mine. You paste it here. You go back, you copy this password, you paste it here, then you do what? You click on next. Okay, click on login. Here comes your cPanel. Okay, once you log into your cPanel, the next thing you need to do is to do what? To install WordPress. So you scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down. You see this, don't use this particular WordPress. Okay, just scroll down. This is the one you are going to use. This one that is written Sotacolors Apps Installer. Okay, so this is the one we are going to use. Now click on it. Okay, then scroll down and click on this install now. Okay, the SSL is free for the first 1 year. So immediately you purchase your demo, automatically they are going to assign that attach that SSL to your domain name. Okay, so in your case, you are not going to see this S here. In your case, you may see http://. So in your case, you will now decide to add the S. If the S is not here, add the S just in front of you. Select this one, add the, for instance, you select this one and add X just between after the P. Okay, but in this one I've already selected the S, so I'm going to take it back to the S. Then your website name will appear just in front of this S. Okay, maybe if you have any issue adding the S and you are not able to add the S, or the SSL was not actually attached to this thing, you can chat them up through their chat bar and they can easily attend to it. Let me show you what the SSL actually does. Let me show you. This is the SSL. This key at the top of this good price ng, this is one of my website. I didn't do anything in your website. Even the browser will actually allow them that this website you're actually browsing is not safe. Now let's go back. So once you are done adding it, ensure that you select the latest WordPress, the latest version of WordPress. Just click down on this thing, select the latest, is always at the top. Okay, that is where you see the latest. So this one is 5.8 now. Okay, now you scroll down. Okay, here you are going to change. Come to this place. You can see this password was generated by WordPress. All you need to do is to change it. So I'm going to change mine. Basically, I'm going to hide it. Okay, so I'm going to change mine. Okay, okay, you can see the strong is 95%. Leave this one at admin. You may decide to change, but I'm not going to change it. Okay, so you scroll down. This is your email address. You scroll down, then click on install. Okay, you can watch it is being installed. Okay, congratulations, your WordPress has been installed. So now let's click and see how our WordPress site looks like. Click on this. Let's open it in a new tab. Congratulations, this is your website. You've been able to install your website successfully. Now if you want to log into this particular place, you can actually log in from here by clicking on this. It will take you to your dashboard, but sometimes you may be automatically logged out, and when you're logged out, this is where you're going to come. All you need to do is to click on this, the name of your website, then /wp-admin, okay, and click enter. Then you now enter the password that you changed when you were creating your WordPress website. I believe this helped. Thank you, and please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe.